some of the things we can say as a motivation day one. That, for example, if some students are there, they are reluctant, they do not want to be there. But if we are able to say, well, you sign up for this class, how many semesters do you want to take on this class? Think about it. How much money did it cost you? Think about it. Maybe they will be able to make the connection that, oops, I just need to like it, I just must survive, I will do all it takes to cooperate or to tune in if they didn't want to tune in. Because when you turn the whole thing to thinking about the dollars, thinking about the semesters, it might then knock in that they want to do it.
I think that is a valuable way, and sometimes that's limited for some. That might not be the thing that gets them. The key is I try and develop activities where I can get to a sense of what does motivate them, what they like. But then I also try and think critically myself of like, would this engage me? Would this be something that a person who normally wouldn't be able to do this do? Has it been designed in a way that feels comfortable, feels accessible, and feel like I'm trying? I try not to use external pressures because it just doesn't work. I'm trying to say, I think you're a strong enough student, you can get this. Look how you were able to articulate this either in writing or in words, and building and investing in them that way. That's the relationship piece that you